Hi tenor saxophones, welcome back. Today's video is Accent Book 2, page number 10, and today's topic is 16th notes. In the upper left-hand corner, before we talk about 16th notes, we'll talk about the fingering for low E flat. That's 3 fingers on our left hand, 3 fingers on our right hand, and our pinky on the E flat key. That's the one on top. Now, 16th notes are notes that receive 1/4 of a beat in 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time. Often, however, we see 16th notes in groups of 4 notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. We count them just like that. And sometimes it's helpful to find a word that matches the same syllable pattern as 16th notes in a group of 4. I like the word Mississippi because it has 4 syllables, just like 1 E and a, Mississippi. So let's use that knowledge and play number 29 together. It's called 4 to the beat, meaning 4 16th notes in a group is 1 beat. We're in 3/4 time, and we've got B flats and E flats. Let's play number 29. 1 E and a, 2 and 3. 1 and 2 E and a, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 E and a, 2 and 3. Here we go. 1, ready, go. Next up is the thunderer. This also uses 16th notes in groups of 4. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. And it's in 2/4 time. With an F sharp in the key signature, that means we won't need to play our B flats or E flats, but we will remember an F sharp in case the music calls for it. 1, 2, ready, set, go. How did you do on your 16th notes? You really need to use a light, fast tongue on the reed, like that. Next up is number 31, the Harvest Song. This is an Estonian folk song in 2/4 time. Let's try it. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 E and a, 2 and 1, 2. F naturals, not F sharps. 1 and 2, ready, set, go. The last exercise, or the next exercise, is one of my favorite American folk songs called Simple Gifts. This piece is in 4/4 time, so we're back to common time, and it's got a B flat in the key signature. So we'll need to remember our B flats throughout. This piece starts with the first line, this then goes to the second line and the third line. However, when you finish the end of the third line, the song isn't over, because it has a DS fine. We learned on a previous page that that means we go back to a certain place, which happens to be line 2, and we'll play until the word fine, which is at the end of line 2. So, to recap, we start in line 1, line 2, and line 3, and finish by playing line 2 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, set, go. lastly, it's number 33, our accent on tenor saxophone exercise. This exercise is in cut time and is designed to help us practice that alternate B-flat fingering. So notice in the first measure, the asterisks are where we use our 1 and 1 fingering that we learned on page number 9. Let's give this exercise a chance. 1 and 2, and here we go. One more time. Ready, go. And there you have it, accent book page number 10. So we learned 16th notes today. We called them Mississippi for a word that uses the same syllables, but we count them one E and A. I hope this video was helpful and you'll try using some of these exercises again real soon. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.